Let's learn to control your sexual energy. Your sexual energy is a very powerful energy that if you do not learn how to control it, it's going to take control of you. We've seen tons of people do horrible things because they don't know how to control it. And we've seen people do amazing things because they know how to control that energy. So being able to control that energy is something that will separate you from the top 1% of people, right? It'll allow you to reach the top and actually reach the potential you're able to reach, but because you don't have that distraction anymore. So let's have you get rid of that distraction through redirection. We understand that energy is neither created nor destroyed, right? It can only be redirected. So when it is redirected, it'll actually still have the same amount of energy and power behind it, but now it'll be a focus that is extra to what you once had. So when you're focused on your schoolwork or whatever it is, you're able to redirect that energy instead of just falling victim to it. Then you'll actually see that you'll study with more vigor, you'll study with more intent, and you'll actually retain things a lot more. One of the main practices that you can do is semen retention. Semen retention is just pretty much not being your shit. That's pretty much what it is. Do not be your shit. That'll allow you to be able to build that discipline of, hey, every time I feel this way, I don't have to do anything about it. I can just let it pass. It is just a feeling that's going to pass regardless, right? So you need to let that happen. It has to be just a natural sensation that goes within and out of your body, just at any given moment. There's so many things you can do. You can keep a focus through meditation. Meditation will allow you to be able to be more mindful when you're feeling these things and, all right, you know what? I'm feeling this way, but it's okay. I'm just going to let it happen. I'm just going to let it flow and just be a sensation that's natural rather than always overthinking it and always overreact. Being able to take control and take charge of this energy as a young man is really what's gonna separate you from other people. And you need to start doing this right now. You need to take it seriously. And this needs to be something that you start incorporating right now immediately. This will completely change your life. I wish you the best.